Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Ricky2365. My name is Rick, and this is your channel, guys. And today I'm gonna be presenting to you the Tilta half cage for the Sony A7S3. I gotta tell you guys, it's gonna blow your mind. I am a big small rig kind of guy, I got a couple of cages for my different Sonys and a couple of Canons in the past. And I love small rig, they're affordable, they are kind of right there, but they're missing something, guys. They are missing something. They're missing on the it factor, I think small rig, they have the intention of bringing a good product that is affordable and ready to go, but Tilta, guys, wow. I mean, this just blew my mind. Let me show you a BRoll real quick of the unboxing and then of this item, the half case with the hand grip. You're gonna love it. Let's go. Okay guys, so now that we are back, I will be showing you how to pretty much get the camera into the cage. Here is with me the new addition to the family, the Sony A7S3, guys. I gotta tell you guys, this camera is just a beast. I have the 24-105 lens, and I have the 20 millimeter out there on the back. I haven't opened it yet. That's the 1.8. I gotta tell you guys, this camera right here, the B-roll shots that you've seen are shot with this camera. It's just a workhorse, guys. It blew my mind. But anyway, it's not about the camera, it's about the Tilta cage, so let's go. So the first thing that I want to tell you is that I have not yet put this into the body. I'm gonna be doing this with you guys, so bear with me. I think that the first thing I need to do, based on my setup, will be to disconnect the microphone. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Let me disconnect the microphone. I'm using the BRoll Video Mic Pro Plus. Yeah, that's it. That's the mic that I've been using all this time with this camera. Let me see if I don't have to remove the lens. No, I have to remove the lens. It is a, yeah, I have to remove the lens. So before I do that, let me turn off my fan because I don't want no dust particles to mess this up. So I'm going to pretty much, damn, and it's, the weather seal is just amazing. So, guys, I was tripping. You don't need to remove the case to put this on. You just gotta get it very close to the body. I don't know if you guys can see, but just get it very close to the body. Hopefully I can show you that in post. And just look at it, guys. I have not attached anything to the camera. And I can tell you right now, this is just, I mean, it's pretty much balanced already. It blows my mind. Blows my mind. The quality, guys, it's just huge, guys. It's just huge. But anyway, it came with this quarter-inch screw for the bottom. So I'm gonna go towards the bottom, and I'm gonna drop this in there. And as you guys you probably can see right now, but I will show you in a second. One of the benefits that I think that Tilta got it perfect is right here on the bottom. You can see the little thing right there is a magnet for this tool. That will help you screw the cage into the body. This is not like my preferred method, but I'm doing it with this because this is what the kit brought. So I prefer to have a flathead screwdriver, you know, so I can properly secure this. Because when you're holding $7,000 in your hand, you definitely don't wanna mess it up. When you're about to torque this screw, don't hold by the lens. Because right now I'm about to put the pressure on it. So hold the body, okay? Hold the body. And give it a, you know, wow. What can I say about this setup, guys? What can I say? This is just the best. This is the best setup I have ever had. That way I can either mount my microphone right here, you know, out of the way, or have it right on top. I think I will have it on, I still will have it on top. Let me show you how this one, my setup looks. This is my Sony A7S3 with the Tilta half cage setup. This is just amazing. I'm vibing here, like I just want to go out because it gives me so much more. It's like a different, you know, it's like a different type of, you know, it's like a different type of setup. This is just amazing. Wow. Wow. In addition to that, guys, you get one of these standard mounts for the bottom with 2 screws, you know, that will hold the cage. So, you know, I love the full cage. The full cage, I love it. I ordered the full cage out of Amazon, and I ordered the half cage. I used the full cage for about, you know, a day or two. And to me, was too busy on the camera. You know, I wanted something more minimalistic, something more clean. For me, the right answer will be for the run and gun guy, for the guy who wants to, you know, just be on the go. This is the way to go. There's one more item that I have coming from Tilta, but it's not here yet, and I will show you that when the item arrives. But I'm gonna give you a hint. This is the hint. Now you tell me what's next. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and please subscribe to the channel. Be good to one another, guys. Have a good day.